Big White Beats.
So here's the box. We've got, a nice presentation from Razer with the logo on the top right. As you can see on the bottom, we have the BlackWidow Chroma. So we've got it in the English UK layout, QWERTY. So yeah, it's got all mechanical switches as well, which is really cool. So opening it up, we have a little tag that you just pull out like this, just like that, and then we've got a little tag again, very easy to unbox at the moment, and we just slide out just like that, simple as. So we now have a little keyboard. We've got a little plastic protection slash garnish, I'd say, with the keyboard itself, which as you can hear the clicky keys, very satisfying to type with and click. In fact, I want to do it quite a lot now. Oh yeah, okay. Anyway, so moving on, we have a couple of boxes that are just here to kit out the box to make sure that nothing breaks or moves around inside the box. We have a bit of kind of suspension on the sides to lift the keyboard out of the box, and then taking it out, it has a nice little kind of there we go. Yeah, it's got a nice little box slash package where it stores all the big old clunky cables that you want. Nice braided cable, by the way. We have, some just instructions and peripherals and to go by when you open up the box. So moving the main box away, we now have obviously the thing itself, the keyboard, with the cables as well. We have our little manual as well, so we can open that up now, have a look what's inside. A nice little message from Razer saying thank you for buying our most expensive product we sell. And another one just to remind you that we spent £450,000 on a keyboard. And then there's obviously, because you spent this much money, there is in fact some stickers, which is very good. So moving off the interesting stuff onto the more boring stuff, the keyboard itself comes with some really cool kind of connections. So we have two USBs, one is a Razer USB and one is just a normal port. I'm gathering that one port is for just connecting and the other port is to get all the lights and stuff and the LEDs working. We have a microphone and a headphone jack to plug into the back of your gaming PC, just because you can plug in your headphones and your mic and your USB, so if you have a wired mouse that you just want to the side of your keyboard, you can plonk that right there. So moving around the keyboard, we firstly have obviously our little control buttons that you can control these and program them to anything. This one in fact is launching the Razer software itself, which actually allows you to kind of convert and change all this kind of lighting behind the keys. I've got the second one which opens my editing software, and the third one opens my mail. Three most used software on my Mac, which I can plug this into, which is Mac and Windows compatible. And we're moving on through the keyboard, obviously QWERTY, normal standard, and then we have our little function buttons up here which are really nifty. So we have a sleep button, we have a brightness up and down, we have a target button, we have a pause and play, and then we have sounds and off sound and mute. So after that is a standard keyboard, and yeah, it's got loads of different connections. So yeah, that's the keyboard. Sorry guys, I forgot to end this video. This is me ending it basically. Thank you very much for watching, as you always do, and as you always do properly. If you did like this video, make sure you smash the like button, and I'll see you when you're older.